Welcome to Ms. Harkin's Google Classroom. This video is to show you around the Google Classroom so that you know what to expect, how to navigate so that you will be ready to be successful for the school year. So you will be sent either an email invite or the class code, which is right up here on right under where it says Ms. Harkin's class. So that you can join and be part of our online classroom. So this is the stream page. On this page, there can be questions. Like this one says, "Welcome to Ms. Harkin's class. How are you today?" You can respond, and so your classmates can see your response, and you can also see theirs. Here on the top, there is a link to the Google Meet for the classroom. If you ever need to join a meeting for our class, or you just have questions for the teacher, you can click on this and that will take you to the Google Meet. You come up here on the top where it says classwork and click on that one. You will have different topics listed. Here on the left side it says all topics. We have getting started, module 1, 2, 3, and 4. So under getting started there's a welcome letter. If you click on that, the Google Doc comes down and you can open up the letter, read through it, and also share it with your parents. All right, under module 1, we have an assignment, chapter 3, Kids in Iowa. Now for this assignment, you're going to need to read chapter 3. The instructions are right down here, numbered 1 through 5. Read the chapter, read through the questions and answer them completely. There's a Google Doc that is attached. Use quotes to back up your responses, read back through your answers, and then press submit when you're done. Now, in this assignment, there's also a rubric. The rubric tells you what is expected of you and how it will be graded. So make sure before you submit an assignment, even before you answer the questions, you go through and make sure that you are you have what is required. All right. Okay, once you're done, you would hit submit, and that would be turned into the teacher. Another feature is our questions. And for this one, you would click on the video that's provided, and you'd go through and watch that. And once you've watched it, you would answer the question. And the question is, where was the Capitol first located, and why was it moved? So you would go ahead and type in your response. The Capitol was first in Iowa City and then was moved so that everyone in the state would have more of an equal distance. Okay, then go ahead and click on the little send button to post it. You will be able to see your response and everyone will be able to see your response as well. All right, now here on the stream page, you can see that you're able to see what you have due, what's coming up. If you view all, you will be able to see all of your assignments, past and present. If you have multiple classrooms that you are a part of, then they will all be listed here. Might have one for math, science, reading, social studies. So we'll go back to this one. If you have questions and you want to ask the teacher or you want to ask other classmates about it, you're going to click on the people. Because you're a student, there'll be a list of students here, and they will have a little email icon next to them. You'll click on that and be able to email your classmates with questions or to talk with them about the assignments. All right, up here is the Google Meet icon, just like on the stream page. If you click on that, that will take you to a Google Meet for the classroom. There's also a Google Calendar that will list different assignments and when they are due. We'll pull that up. Here we go. All right. And this will give you different assignments, what days they are due. All right. If you have any questions about your classes or Google Classroom, go ahead and send me an email or click on that Google Meet icon.